What happens when spheres of influence overlap? Have you ever wondered what occurs in space when the gravitational pull of two celestial bodies starts to interact? This is a fascinating topic that brings us to the concept of spheres of influence. A sphere of influence is the area around a celestial body where its gravitational force is the strongest, affecting the motion of smaller objects like moons or spacecraft. These spheres are not perfect spheres but rather oblate spheroids, shaped more like squished balls. They define the boundaries where one body's gravitational influence outweighs another's. For example, the Moon's sphere of influence is the space where its gravity is stronger than that of the Earth. Now, when these spheres overlap, the gravitational forces from two or more bodies become comparable. This situation can arise when a spacecraft or a smaller celestial body is located between two larger bodies, such as a planet and its moon, or between two planets. In this overlapping region, the motion of the object can be influenced by both bodies at the same time. Imagine a spacecraft traveling between the Earth and the Moon. As it moves through this area, it experiences gravitational pulls from both the Earth and the Moon. This can lead to a more complicated trajectory than if the spacecraft were only under the influence of one body. The gravitational fields from both celestial bodies can cause the spacecraft to change its path, making navigation more complex. Understanding these overlaps is essential for planning interplanetary missions. When a spacecraft transitions from one planet's gravitational influence to another's, it must be carefully navigated to take advantage of the gravitational assists from both bodies. This technique can significantly reduce the energy needed for the journey and improve the mission's efficiency. In a broader sense, the overlap of spheres of influence in space can serve as a metaphor for geopolitical situations. Just as celestial bodies interact through gravity, nations can exert political, economic, or military influence over regions where their interests overlap. Managing these overlapping spheres requires careful diplomacy and strategic planning to avoid conflicts and maintain stable relations. So, when spheres of influence overlap, it leads to complex interactions that impact the motion of celestial bodies and spacecraft. This understanding is vital for both space exploration and international relations, showing how interconnected our world and the universe truly are.